retrieve the columns or attributes. Okay. So what is the syntax of projection? I and table name. Okay. Coming to the rename. What is rename? Rename indicates with row. What is A? What is B? Now coming to the union. Going to these duplicates. Whereas union or along with duplicates, the table will be generated. Okay. Coming to the intersection. Only common elements or common things will be replaced. Okay. Next coming to the set difference. Set difference. Going to retrieve the things of the only R. Okay. Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm making noise. Now I'll explain SQL functions. Different types of SQL functions. Different types of SQL functions. So here it is categorized into three types: string functions, mathematical functions, data type functions. Yes, listen to me, don't talk. String functions, mathematical functions, data type functions. How many types? Three types. What are that? String function. So how to create a table? What is the syntax to create a table? Name, data type, size. Okay, data type, size. Coming to here, string functions are used as an input string. Yes or no? So how we are going to use the string? Like some of these string functions are defined, pre-defined in SQL. First one is ASCII. ASCII. So the function is used to find the ASCII value. Okay. Let us see what is the syntax to see the ASCII value. Select ASCII and letter. You need to give the letter in single quotations. All the character strings you need to give in single quotations. Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. So listen to me here. I am giving this in server C. Okay, so what is our thing here? First one is ASCII, right? Select ASCII some K value. I want to repeat. So what is the ASCII value of K? What is the ASCII value of K? Yes. Yes or no? Yes or no? Last matches. Still I am getting noise. So how to find out the ASCII value? What is the syntax? Select. Okay. Suppose I want to see letter A. What is the value of A? 97. 97 is ASCII value. Okay. Of A. So this you need to give it SQL. Select. Why I am giving select? Because I need to fetch the value of A. Okay. That's why I'm using select. Select comes under which language? DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. DML. DML. Why? Because we are dealing with the data presented in a table. Selecting, fetching the data, retrieving the data. Is it clear? That's why we need to give every time select. Is it clear? Yes or no? So this is the string operation. Let us see one more thing. What is the second one? Character length. Character length. Okay. So character length, it doesn't work sometimes in SQL Server. Use short form as LEN. Okay. Character length work cheynappudu short form ivanama LEN function. Okay. So that it will be working. Let us see whether it is working or not. How we need to give select character length and word. Okay. Note down. What I have given here? Character length. What is our character length for hello? 6. It is displaying 6. Is it clear? Yes or no? Let me give other name. How many words are there? How many letters? It should display 5. Is it clear? Yes or no? So what is the syntax to give a character length? To select a character length, select char length. Select char length. Is it clear? So must and should you need to give it single quotations. Okay? Next. Character length this also. In the CHAR and solution. So what is the length of this character? Count this reference. Yes. Then practical segment sign pass to reference. Solve mark up and how much of the character length? 15. Okay, 15. Is it clear? So these two are working. If at all we are giving CHAR means it will work. If we are giving full meaning also full word also it will work. Okay, is it clear? Yes or no? So this all comes under string functions. Next, let us see concatenation. Concatenation. Enter how చేసుకోవాలి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం how చేసుకోవాలి ఫాస్ట్ make it fast పంపిస్తాను మీరు రాస్తారా రన్నింగ్ లో రాయండి గుర్తుంటది అది కూడా పంపిస్తాను మీరు రాయాలి పంపిస్తున్నట్లు So concatenation is used to concatenate the words, okay? And the two words are a string. So this is not working. We should give. Yes. It will work now. See here. What I have given here. Select query. కనపడుతుందా? Select what I have given. Concat is a keyword. Underscore WS is the word strength. Okay. Underscore I have given in single quotations, comma, gigs per gig. That means what here it is going to display gigs underscore per underscore gigs. అదే వచ్చిందా? ఇక్కడ నేను ఏమి ఇచ్చా క్వశ్చన్లో అండర్ స్కోర్ నాకు మధ్యలో రావాలి, వర్డ్స్ మధ్యలో. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్ప్లే gigs underscore for underscore gigs that I have mentioned first. Is it clear? If I am giving slash, what will happen? ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది స్లాష్? వచ్చిందా? Yes or no? So in this way you need to use the word concatenation. Concatenation, adding the two strings, two words. Is it clear? Yes or no? Next. So find in set. This function is used to find a symbol from a set of symbols. Use select find in. According to this one, we are having two sets here. This one you consider as one set B. Okay, this all we consider as one set. It should display 2, but it is displaying 0 here. Okay, we'll change and see here. So same it is showing, but select is used to show this how many sets are available in the given string. Is it clear? Yes or no? Next. So all this comes under string functions. Next, let us see format. Format is used to display a number in a given format. So ఇది వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదమ్మా, వేరే చూద్దాం. Now tell me how to create a table. How to create a table? Create table. Table name student I'm giving. Okay, first before creating a table we need to create a database. Yes or no? So create database.
name. Okay, now you need to use this database, right? Okay, now create a table. Create table, table name, student, like roll number, what is the data type for roll number? Integer, comma. Before giving comma, I need to give primary key. Why I am using primary key? What are the conditions of primary key? Yes, what are the conditions of primary key? What is primary key? It should not be null, or it should have unique values. Okay. Next, name. I am using varchar. Okay. So here I am giving not null. Why I am giving not null? Why I am using the constraint not null? ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు నాన్ స్టాప్ గా? Why I am giving not null? What is the use of not null? That means the column, it should contain some value. Okay, not null constraint. Next, age, integer, some 10 I am giving. Okay, now the table is created. How to see the structure of this table? How to see the structure of the table? టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా చూస్తారు దీన్ని? ఎలా చూడాలమ్మా రోస్ అండ్ కాలమ్స్ని? నేనేమన్నా డేటా ఎంటర్ చేశాను అందులో? మరి ఏం చూస్తారు? సెలెక్ట్ అంటున్నారు ఇందాక నుంచి. సెలెక్ట్ ఎందుకు? నేను జస్ట్ ఒక స్కీమా క్రియేట్ చేశాను, అంతేనా? ఏం చేస్తారు దాన్ని చూడాలంటే? డిస్ప్లే చేయడానికి ఏం చేయాలి? షో టేబుల్ మీన్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టేబుల్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు షో. నౌ టెల్ మీ. మర్చిపోయారు అందరు, 1 వీక్కే మర్చిపోతారమ్మా. డిస్క్రైబ్, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Describe. What is our table name? That means what it is going to display? వచ్చిందా? ఏమైంది మ్యామ్? వచ్చిందా? How many fields I have entered while creating? 3 fields. What are the? Age. What are the data type I have given? Why showing in key, primary key? I have mentioned while creating the database itself. Yes or no? Next, null is no. Why? ఇది చెప్పండి, ఇది null no అని వచ్చింది ఎందుకు? Because it is satisfying 2 conditions of the primary key. What are the conditions of primary key? It should not be null or empty. Null or empty. It should have unique values, right? Next, see here, name data type is varchar. Why? Because I have mentioned a constraint there, not null. Okay. Next, it will accept the null values by adding constraint here. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now, how to insert a values in this table? Insert into student is table name, values, roll number is some 1. Okay, in single quotations you need to give. Okay, comma, some age. Okay, is it inserted? Yes or no? Like I'll insert, see. So what is the error we are getting here? Duplicate entry 1 for key. Why? We kept one condition in that field. What is that condition? It should be a primary key. It will not allow a duplicate values. Is it clear? Andike unique values unded. Yes? ఏజ్ లో రావచ్చా డూప్లికేట్ వాల్యూస్? ఏజ్ లో అలౌ చేస్తుందా? ఏజ్ కాలంలో So how to see this one? I have inserted now, right? Yes or no? How to see this one? Inserted values. How to display? How to fetch? Using select. Why you are using star? To display all the fields in a table. Vachinda? Now I want to fetch only the name. Select. Emi Vali. Instead of giving star, what I should give here? Name. From which table? Vachinda? Suppose I want to view name and age. Vachinda? So in this way you need to insert the values and display the values. Is it clear? So what is the syntax to insert a value? Insert into table name values. For characters you need to mention in single quotations. Is it clear? So this is also one of the string function insert. Next. L case. L is nothing but lower case. Okay? Lower case. The function is used to convert the given string into a lower case. So for this we need to give the keyword as a L case. ఓకే వచ్చిందా ఏమిచ్చా నేను క్యాపిటల్స్ లో ఇచ్చానా capital G capital F capital okay what it is going to display here in small lower case okay if we want to use the case sensitive use like this select you need to select use the word select and to the character is it clear yes or no next left so this left function is used to select a substring from the left of the given character so what is the left given character here according to select left ఇదే కదా comma 5 అంటే ఏంటి it should display 5 characters okay from left it should display 5 characters ఆడుకుంటున్నారమ్మా okay suppose I am giving 7 what will happen from left it is going to display the 7 letters okay right check చేద్దామా రైట్ వస్తుందో రాదో చెక్ చేద్దాం వచ్చిందా yes or no that means what here the function is used to display the Words from the left side is left function and right side is right function. Okay. By I'm giving 7, it will display 7 letters, 7 characters. Is it clear? Yes or no? So these are all comes under which functions? String functions. Next, length we have already used, right? Length use chesama leda? Hello అని ఇచ్చాం 5 display. Don't talk ma. Okay? Is it clear? Yes or no? How many are there? 13. It is going to display. Yes, ma. Are you following? Yes or no? Next, repeat. So repeat is used to write the given string again and again. Okay. So let us use this one also. Select repeat. Number of times mentioned is 2. Any times repeat ayindadi? How many times it is repeated? బాగా తిన్నారు నిద్ర వస్తుంది కదమ్మా మీకు? Yes sir. Suppose I am giving 5 times. How many times it is going to repeat? Vachinda? Yes or no? What is the keyword we need to use here? Select, repeat, word, comma. How many times you have to repeat? You need to give. Is it clear? Yes or no? Next, replace. What is for used to replace means used to cut the given string and remove the substring. So till now, how many functions we have seen? ఇది ఎందుకమ్మా సౌండ్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. What is the first function? What is the first string function? ASCII value. Next, character. Length. Third one, content. Concatenation. To add two strings, two or more strings. Next, Binding set. Next. Next. Lowercase. You can also use uppercase also. Okay. Next, left function, right function, length, repeat, replace. Okay. So after this, we see the string functions. Comparison. What is string comparison? Comparing two strings. This string is used, this function is used to compare two strings. Okay, two strings. If one string and two strings are there, see here, if two strings are same, the function will return zero value. Okay, na? Two functions or two strings are same, it is going to return how much value? Zero. If one function or one string is smaller than the string 2, it is going to return 1. Okay. If string 2 is larger than the string 1, it is going to return? Minus 1. Is it clear? So let us see that one also. So for that you need to use select string comparison. Ochina? Yes or no? So what I have given here? What is my string 1 here? How many letters are there? Whether it is lesser or greater than the string 2? Less than, right? String 1 is less than string 2. It is going to return 1. Okay. Now let us see reverse. Yes, see here. Yes, look at here everyone. What I have given here. Which string is having higher value? String 1 or string 2? String 1. Okay. What it should return? Vachinda? It is going to return minus 1. If it is same, both the strings are same, it will return. So in this way you need to use this string comparisons. Is it clear? If string 1 is less than string 2, it is going to return 1. If string 2 is greater than string 1 is minus 1. Both the strings are same means 0. Is it clear? String comparison. Use the word as STRCMP. CMP is nothing but comparison. Is it clear? You need to use the keyword as a STRCMP. Is it clear? In this we have seen three types. What are that? If string 1 is less than string 2, we'll return the value as 1. If string 2 is greater than string 1, we'll get the return value as minus 1. If two strings are same, we'll get the return value as 0. Is it clear? Next, substring. So substring is used here. I have given 1, 5. Okay, first letter, comma, how many it should display? 5 characters. Okay, first letter or first sentence, the first word, and it should contain 5 characters. Is it clear? Yes or no? So these are the string functions. Next we'll see numeric functions. That's why I said SQL contains how many types? 3 types of functions. What are the string, mathematical, numeric function? Okay. Next one is numeric functions. Next one is numeric functions. So these are used to perform an operations on the numbers. Okay, on the numbers. If I want the absolute value of a number, I should give select absolute as a keyword and the number. What it is going to display, ఇప్పుడు minus 243.5 ఇస్తే it should get positive value. Absolute value అంటే అదేనా? Okay, is it clear? Yes or no? Negative ఇచ్చా పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. Numeric function. Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it visible? Last వాళ్ళకి ఏం రాయట్లేదు ఎస్ మ్యామ్ అంటున్నారు. Suppose I have given select ABS of minus 10. What it is going to return? Okay, 10. Is it clear? Yes or no? First stop writing and look at here, everyone. Sit properly. Yes, sit properly. Till now we have seen the string functions. Now numeric functions. It will work on numbers. Okay. Now absolute number. If I am giving negative number, we'll get positive number. Is it clear? Yes or no? Try చేద్దాం. Positive వస్తుంది. Huh? Absolute value means it will display only the positive numbers. Okay. Yes, next. Seal. All this you have seen in తెలిసి మీ PPS లో దీనిలో యూజ్ చేస్తుంటారా అమ్మ ఇవన్నీ చేశారా లేదా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ round of seal. So seal, it is going to return the smallest number, smallest integer value which is greater than or equal to the given number. So select seal 25.75 I am giving. We'll get the output as 26. Round off. Okay. Is it clear? Yes or no? ఏంటమ్మా ఎందుకమ్మా అనవసరం క్లాస్ డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తుంటారు. Same sealing also. Sealing is nothing but same the concept of seal only. Okay, is it clear? Yes or no? మళ్ళీ ఇవన్నీ ఒక్కొక్కరు లేపి అడుగుతారమ్మా క్వశ్చన్లు, మీ ఇష్టం మరి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్లోర్. Floor will return the largest value. Floor will return largest value. Coming to seal, it is going to return smallest value. Okay? Am I clear? Yes or no? Next, round off. Some 5.553 I have given. It will round off and will give largest number, nearest decimal number. Okay? 6. Suppose I am giving 7.3. What it is going to return? అర్థమైందా? ఇందాకేమి ఇచ్చా నేను 5.553. okay, largest decimal I have given there, it which is nearest to 6, but here which is nearest to 7 I have given 7.3. After 0.5 it may take 8, I think so. Let us check that also. Okay, ఏందమ్మా? 7.5 also it is displaying 8. If I am giving 7.4, what will happen? అర్థమైందా? After 5 it is going to round off to 8. Before 5 it is round off to 7. These are numeric functions. Okay, next, suppose I am giving select square root of 25. What is the select square root of 25? 5. Okay, square root of 49. Okay, is it clear? We need to use the word as square root. Next, truncate. This we have already used in languages, DBMS languages. Truncate, what is the use of truncate? Structure remains same, but here also to delete the particular records we'll be using here select truncate 7.53, means it is giving only a 2 values. After point it will display 2 values. Is it clear? Truncate అంటే delete చేయడమే కదమ్మా, మిగతా అన్ని రిమైండ్ చేసి ఆఫ్టర్ పాయింట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్ప్లే ఓన్లీ 2 values. ఇప్పుడు నేను కామా 3 ఇస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ పాయింట్ ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే 3 digits. Is it clear? Yes or no? No ma'am anta. Okay, if I am giving 3, వచ్చిందా? Okay, truncate is also used like this. అర్థమైందా? Yes or no? మొత్తం నిద్రపోతున్నారమ్మా. పడుకోవడానికి వచ్చారా? పడుకోవడానికి వచ్చారమ్మా? జోలపాటలాగా ఉందా నాది? అందుకే రాయండి అని చెప్తున్నాను. From here I am getting noise continuously. Next, date and time functions. Date and time functions. You have to know all this. ఎందుకంటే మా మీరు యూజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మీరు యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, so now is used to return the current date and time. Now select now. Okay, what it is displaying at present, what is the date, what is the time, along with seconds it has been displayed. Yes or no? So this comes under date and time functions. Am I clear? Next, current date. To return the current date, we need to give CURDATE. Select CURDATE. So what is the today's date? Current date adena? Yes or no? Next, current time. CURTIME. Okay? Is it clear? What is the time now? 2:10 along with seconds it has been displayed. Is it clear? Yes, are you following? Next, date. ఇందాక ఇచ్చాం కదా డేట్ అని, కరెంట్ డేట్ ఇస్తే వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ select. If I want to know the date of birth time from this table, means you need to write like this. See here. Okay. డేటాబేస్ నేమ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చానమ్మా నేను ఇందాక? కైట్ 1 కదా. So to run this query, we need date of birth in a column. At database లో ఇది ఉండాలమ్మా, డేట్ ఆఫ్ టైం అని, బర్త్ టైం అని కాలం ఉంటేనే డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మనం ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు కదా బర్త్ టైం అని. ఓకే, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? So till now we have seen types of SQL functions. First one is string function, numeric functions. In string functions we have seen ASCII values, concatenation, finding the words, finding the length of the characters. Okay, lowercase, uppercase, left function, right function. Coming to this one, date and time. Current date, current time, at present date. Okay, now coming to string comparisons. String comparisons, in that we have seen 3 types. Is it clear? Yes or no? So how to create a tables? We already know the syntax to create a table. Yes or no? How to create? What is the syntax to create a table? Fields, data type, size. Okay. How to insert a records in a table? How to insert the records in a table? Insert into table name values. Okay. Next, how we need to use while creating the syntax only, we need to use like primary key, foreign key. Is it clear? Yes or no? Next, we'll see the string operations. Till now we see the string functions, right? String operations are also called as like operators. What we call as like operators. Okay, so in that we find as 2 wild characters. One is percentile, the second one is underscore. Percentile, underscore. Okay. So percentile is nothing but the character matches any substring. Okay. So this I'll explain with the example. See, first create two tables. Write down to create a table of student. ఏమా ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? మాట్లాడమని చెప్పానా? String functions or string operations. String operations. In string operations, we find two percentile and underscore. Percentile, underscore. Percentile is nothing but matches any substring. Write down matches any substring. Matches any substring. Okay, matches any substring. Suppose percentile A. సరే ఇందులోనే చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Already have created some tables, right? ఏమ్మా ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? Yes, don't talk. See here. What is percentile? It matches with any substring. Okay. First, for example, suppose I'm giving A percentile. It means what? It finds any value starts with A. Yes, are you getting? Suppose I am giving A percentile. What it is going to display? It is going to display the starting letter with A. Okay, let us see. How? What is the syntax? Select. Select. Star. From, why I am using star here? Where EMP underscore name like ఏంటమ్మా ఏంది మీ బాధ ఏం చెప్పండి. ఈఎంపీ నేమే కదా నేను ఇచ్చింది. సెలెక్ట్ టేబుల్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ టేబుల్ నేమ్ ఈస్ ఎంప్లాయీ. వచ్చిందా? ఓకే, ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మీకు అర్థం కావాలంటే మరొకసారి చూడండి. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీ. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్, ఇందులో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఏతో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేవి? హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ టేబుల్ విత్ స్టార్టింగ్ లెటర్ ఏ? ఓన్లీ 1. So this syntax: select star from employee where EMP name like A percentile. It matches the substring string. Okay, that means it is going to display with starting letter A. Ochina? Yes or no? Suppose I am giving with K. What it is going to display? Yes? Yes or no? Next, if I am giving percentile A percentile, ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? ఏమేమి వస్తాయి ఇప్పుడు? It is going to display wherever A contains. ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏ ఉందో అదన్నీ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. Is it clear? Yes or no? So let us see. Yes or no? Okay. So A percentile is nothing but it is going to display starting letter with A. If I am giving percentile A, percentile means it is going to display all the letters, all the records which are having A letter. Sometimes we can give the words also, like transformation is there. We can give 4-letter word trans. Is it clear? Yes or no? Suppose I am giving like this, percentile A in the kitchen. ఇప్పుడు పర్సెంటైల్ ముందు పెట్ట ఏం డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి? ఎండింగ్ లెటర్ విత్ ఏ. ఎండింగ్ లెటర్ విత్ ఏ. వచ్చాయా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఓకే. ఇవి పీపీటీలో లేవమ్మా, రాయండి. These are not available in PPT. Write down the syntax. A percentile finds any value that starts with A. Water. Okay. Next, if displays wherever the letter present in a table. Okay. Next, percentile A finds ending letter with A. Ending letter with A. So what is the syntax? Select star from, write down, select star from table name. Select star from table name where column name like, you need to use like operator here, like, okay, and give A percentile in single quotations. Is it clear? Yes or no? So these are one of the string operations. So let us see the second one, underscore. Underscore matches any character. Write down, underscore matches any character. Underscore matches any character. Now see here, what is the syntax? Select star from, what is our table name here? Employee. Okay. Where ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి ఇక్కడ? Column name EMP underscore name. Like, I want to give now some 2 characters, 2 underscores. ఇస్తే ఏమొస్తుందో చూద్దాం. ఏం డిస్ప్లే చేసింది? empty. Why? Because See here. In our table, there is no two-letter words. Yes or no? Suppose I am giving 4 underscores. What will happen? How many it is going to display? How many records it is going to fetch here? What are that? Achaya? Yes or no? Here, underscore represents characters, exact characters. If I'm giving 3 underscores, it is displaying empty set. Why? Because the table will not contain the 3 word letters. Is it clear? Yes or no? Last one, string operations. 2 types. What are that? Percentile and percentile and percentile represents any substring. Suppose I am giving a percentile means it is going to display the starting letter with A. So, percentile A means ending letter with A. Okay. Suppose I am giving underscore underscore underscore. What it is going to display? I have used letter word it is going to display from a table. Is it clear? Yes or no? So these are the string operations. Okay. So string operations are sometimes case sensitive and pattern matching also. Set operations. Morning we have seen set operations. Yes or no? Yes, don't talk. Set operations. What are set operations? Union, intersection, set difference, union all. Okay. So here it is combinedly giving results of 2 or more and it will display in a single digit. Union, union all, except or minus we can use. Okay. Is it clear? So for what we are using union? Union name display చేస్తారు చెప్పండి. Union all, it combines both the table but here duplicates are allowed. Okay. So this also we'll see in SQL. Set operations. నేను చేస్తుంటాను సింటాక్స్ రాసుకున్నామా మీరు. Set operations. First we'll do union. Set operations. First one is union operation. So for that we need 2 tables, right? Union operations ki we need binary operations 2 tables. Okay, for that let me create 2 tables. One is student table, the other one is employee table. Student already ఉన్నట్టుంది కదా. So create table. How to write the syntax for creating a table? Table name, this I am giving table name and my fields are SID, I am giving integer, okay, size, comma, some S name I am giving, S name indicates student name, okay, varchar simple and comma, some marks I am giving. Okay, I have created this table. Let me check it is created or not. How to describe this? Describe student. Okay, is it clear? Now let me insert values. Insert into table name is values 1 comma ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ మాట్లాడమని చెప్పలేదు, రాసుకోండి. ఇవన్నీ పీపీటీస్లో లేవమ్మా, నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి. Yes, don't talk. From okay, I have created 3 records in a table. Okay, I have created 3 records in a table. Yes, పడుకుంటున్నారేంటమ్మా, రాయండి అని చెప్తే. ఎస్, అవును లేపండి, నిద్రపోవడానికి వచ్చావు కాలేజ్కి. నెక్స్ట్ సెలెక్ట్, సారీ, create one more table, create employee table. EMP I am giving, EMP, okay. In that I need EID, comma, ENAME, ఎందుకమ్మా డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతున్నారు? Okay, I have created 2 tables now. One is student table and second one is employee table. Okay, so let me insert the values. How to insert the values? Insert into table name is EMP values. So first I need to enter some 101, comma, some 70,000. అందుకే బిగ్ డేటా కదా, సర్వర్స్ ఉంటాయి. Okay, now I have created 2 tables which are of name, student and employee tables. In that equally I have inserted 3 rows. Like I said, morning conditions, we need exact rows in both the tables, then only it is going to display the set operations. What are set operations? Union, union or intersection, minus. Okay, let us see one by one. First one, union. Union will indicate with what? U, capital U. So I want to fetch the IDs from the both the tables. Okay, I want to retrieve the data ID from the both the table. What is the command we need to give? Select, దానిలో ఏమని ఇచ్చాను? SID, IDs కావాలి నాకు 2 tables నుంచి. From which table? Student table. Now you need to give union అయినా ఇవ్వచ్చు, క్యాపిటల్ అయినా U అని ఇవ్వండి, మరి తీసుకుంటారో లేదో చూడండి. Select EID from EMP. Yes or no? Union means it is going to display all the values from the both the tables. నేను అందులో 3 ఇచ్చాను, ఇందులో 3 ఇచ్చాను, బట్ డూప్లికేట్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి all చేసింది. So what is the syntax? Select SID from student union, select EID from the EMP. Is it clear? Yes or no? Intersection చూద్దాం. Intersection ఇది వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదేమో చెక్ చేస్తాను. ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ వేరే చేయండి అమ్మా. యూనియన్ ఆల్ for name. Why I am giving for name? Because name is repeated in the both the tables. అప్పుడు డూప్లికేట్స్ ఇస్తుందా ఇవ్వదా చెప్పాలి మీరే. Operations syntax is same for each and every one. Union all except or minus. So here except minus operator, it is going to return row from the result set of first select statements which are present in second select statement. Okay, query 1 minus query 2. లేకపోతే ఇలా ట్రై చేద్దాం. Select star from student except select star from manager. Select star from student the display of tuples. Simple to remember, order is nothing but it is going to display in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order lo display chestundi, descending order lo display chestundi. Ascending order. If I am mentioning DESC means it is going to display in descending order. Am I clear? Yes or no? By default, what will get? Ascending order. This is what we call it as ordering the display of tuples. How to order? Like ASC means it is going to display that words in a ascending order. DESC means descending order. Yes? So this is the syntax. Select distinct name, okay, from table name, order by. Order by అనగానే మీకు ఏం గుర్తు రావాలి? Ascending లో అయినా descending లో అయినా words display చేస్తాయి. Okay? Is it clear? So you need to mention like this. Order by name DESC means it is going to display in descending order. ASC means ascending order. Is it clear? Yes or no? Next. Where clause. Till now we have used this where, yes or no? Like using the string operations, I have used like operator, then I have used where condition also. So where is used for conditions, for predicting the conditions. Okay. So here it includes the between comparison operator also. Okay. And here, for example, see, find the names of all instructors with salary between 90,000. What is the question here? Find the names of all the instructors with salary between 90,000. Okay. Using between operator, we can get the answer. Select name. Okay. What is the question? Find the name. That's why I'm selecting the name. Is it clear? Yes or no? Select name from which table? Instructor table, where salary between 90 and, let me check this one in this. ఏమని ఇవ్వాలి చెప్పండి మన టేబుల్స్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్లో సాలరీ ఉంది కదా చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి సెలెక్ట్ ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి నేమ్ కావాలి కదా నేమ్కి ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి ఈ నేమ్ అని ఇచ్చానా yes don't talk okay now tell me how to write this syntax for this between select e name ఏం రాయాలి నాకు ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 70 to 90 మధ్యలో కావాలి నాకు సెలెక్ట్ ఎందుకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు చూడండి ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ టేబుల్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ వేర్ సాలరీ బిట్వీన్ సెలెక్ట్ ఏం రాయాలి ఈ నేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ టేబుల్ ఈఎంపి వేర్ salary between 70,000 and వచ్చింది 70,000 ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు 80 ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు 90 నేను ఇక్కడ నేమ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నా అందుకే నేమ్స్ డిస్ప్లే yes or no so let me see with marks also okay who is having what is syntax select $91 పెడతాను and 80 ఇస్తా 80 okay where what is the column I need to give here marks from which table so what is our column name I need to give here yes name okay How many persons are there? Only one person. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 and 91 and సారీ 80 and 91 ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? ఓన్లీ 1. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ఓన్లీ 1. 80 to 91 మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారమ్మా ఇక్కడ మార్క్స్ ఉన్నోళ్ళు? 1. ఓకే, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? yes or no? next, where. Okay, here we have used where and also one operator between, comparison operator. Okay, between is a comparison operator. Next, aggregate functions we have seen, but in aggregate functions one more is there, group by. Okay, so group by is used for collaboration of the statements. Like here groups are there. If you observe here, select, how many columns are there? How many columns are there here? What are the? So selecting department name, comma, average of salary as average salary, from which table? Instructor table. Group by department name means I am grouping with the department name. Okay, I'll get the columns as a this one, department name. అర్థమైందా? 3 columns వస్తే ఏంటేంటి వస్తాయి చెప్పండి? డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్ ఒకటి వస్తుంది, సాలరీ. దేంతో నేను డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను? దేంతో గ్రూపింగ్ చేస్తున్నా? డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? yes or no? next, so in aggregate function one more is there, having. Having is used for filters. Okay, filtering purpose. Having clause is used to filter the groups which is based on a conditions. Okay, so let us see one query. Find the names and average salaries of all departments whose average salary is greater than 42,000. What is the question here? Question ఏంటి చదవండి ప్రాపర్ గా. క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి ప్రాపర్ గా. So that means what we need to display here? Name and average salaries of the all the departments whose average salary is greater than, we need to have use the filter having greater than 42,000. Is it clear? Yes or no? Select department name, comma, average salary we need, right? From which table? Instructor table. Group by department name. Having is used as a filter to get the greater than 42,000. Is it clear? Yes or no? Next, nested queries. What is nested query? A query within a query called as a nested query. A query within a query is said to be a nested query. Write down, a query with another query. A query with another query called as subqueries. A query with another query called as a subquery. Next, outer query is called as a main query. Outer query is called as a main query. Sometimes this may ask in your interview questions, what is nested queries? How to write a nested queries? You should answer like this. Outer query is called as a main query. Inner query is called as a subquery. Inner query is called as a subquery. Inner query is called as a subquery. Okay, so all these concepts together call it as a nested subqueries. Query within a query. So see here, rules of nested queries. There are some rules you need to follow while writing the nested queries. So subqueries always implemented with select where having clauses. Definitely, while using the nested queries, you need to use three clauses that are select where having. Select where having. First condition. What is the second condition? Select subqueries always implemented with only DML. If you observe here, select is from which language? DML only, right? So here subqueries always implemented with DML statements. Subqueries always implement with DML statements. Okay, is it clear? Yes or no? So select, update, insert, delete along with some operators like equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, between, comparison operators. Okay. So what is the first condition? First rule, subqueries always implemented with select where having clauses. Subqueries always implemented with any DML statement. What are DML statements? Select, update, insert, delete. Okay, like operators equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, between. Okay, so here two parts it is divided. Left side part is called as a outer query, which we are calling it as a main query. Outer query is also said to be a main query. On right side part is called as a subqueries. Subqueries always enclosed with parentheses. In brackets we need to mention. So these are the rules of nested queries. Is it clear? Yes or no? Make it fast. I'll give 2 minutes. Yes, don't talk. Finished? So see here, subquery Rastara. Grind fast grind. Make it fast, ma. So let us take an example. To find ID particular employee where salary is greater than 45,000. So yes, listen to me, stop writing. Chudamma. Select star from employee where ID in. Okay, this we call it as a outer query or main query. Outer query or main query. I said one rule, always queries, nested subqueries are written in parentheses. Okay, this we call it as a nested query. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? I have used here one rule, select having clause. Where could you use yes or no? Yes. So always it deals with DML statements only. It will enclosed in brackets. Yes, am I clear? Yes or no? What is outer query? Outer query is also said to be main query. Okay. What is subquery? So left side part we call it as a, right side part we call it as a subquery. Always enclosed with parentheses. Okay. Why I am using it? It is used for exactly matching. ఇన్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేశాను? ఇన్ కూడా ఒకటే కంపారిజన్ ఆపరేటర్. ఓకే, ఒకటి ఇవన్నీ కంపారిజన్ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఇన్ కూడా కంపారిజన్ ఆపరేటర్ విచ్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ది క్లియర్. yes or no? కొంతమంది వినకుండానే ఎస్ మ్యామ్ అంటున్నారు. సో see here, subquery with insert statement. Subquery with insert statement. In general, we know how to insert a values. Yes or no? What is the command to insert a value? Even it kucho. Insert table, table name, values. Okay, coming to subquery, we already know we have to write the outer query. First outer query rasaka, we need to write subquery. Yes or no? So see here, while using the subquery with the insert statement, it is used as a backup. Suppose example, backup of a table we are creating. Okay, first created the employee backup table as a new one, and from that backup we are inserting a new table, insert into employee backup. So here select star from employees previous table. ప్రీవియస్ టేబుల్ నుంచి నేను ఇందులోకి ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. కొత్త టేబుల్ ఏంటి, నేమ్ వచ్చేసి ఎంప్లాయీ బ్యాకప్. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే యూ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ వేర్ ఐడి ఇన్. ఇన్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ exact. Okay, is it clear? Yes or no? Next, update. Select statement subqueries with the update statement. What is our second rule in nested subquery? అందుకేనా డిఎంఎల్ చెప్తున్నాను. డిఎంఎల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఏంటి? ఇన్సర్ట్ చెప్పానా, ఇన్సర్ట్ అప్డేట్. ఆల్రెడీ సెలెక్ట్ యూజ్ చేసాం. సెలెక్ట్, ఇన్సర్ట్, అప్డేట్, డిలీట్. ఓకే, సో subquery with delete update statement. So it will update either single or multiple columns in a table. So update the salary of the employee where age greater than or equal to 25. This is the query. What is the query? Update the salary of the employee where age greater than or equal to 25. Solution for this one: update employee at salary equal to salary into 0.25. This we are giving the condition, means it is applicable to the whole column. Is it clear? Column మొత్తంలో ఉన్న salary column మొత్తానికి applicable. ఇది salary equal to salary 25, 0.25 అంటే అందరికి 2.5 కాలమ్ లో ఉన్న అందర్ పర్సన్స్ కి, అందర్ యూజర్స్ కి. ఇది క్లియర్? yes or no? Subquery with update statement, update employee, set salary. Suppose నేను క్రియేట్ చేశానమ్మా, ఏది క్రియేట్ టేబుల్, సమ్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. దానిలో శాలరీ కాలం ఫస్ట్ ఇవ్వలేదు నేను. ఆఫ్టర్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ 3 రికార్డ్స్ ఐ హావ్ అగైన్ యాడెడ్ 1 more కాలం, దట్ ఈస్ శాలరీ కాలం. ముందు 3 రికార్డ్స్ ఏముంటాయి? నల్ ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? అర్థమైందా నా కాన్సెప్ట్? ముందు నల్ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, శాలరీ నేను యాడ్ చేయలేదు ఆ కాలం. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ముందు ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? ఈఐడి, ఈఎంపీ నేమ్, సమ్ ఈఎంపీ ఏజ్ కన్సిడర్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎంటరింగ్ ది 3 రికార్డ్స్ ఐ హావ్ శాలరీ కాలం, శాలరీ కాలం యాడ్ చేశాను. ముందు 3 రికార్డ్స్ నేను సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈఎంపీ రికార్డ్స్ ఏమొస్తాయి? అవే డిస్ప్లే. శాలరీ ప్లేస్ లో నల్ అని వస్తుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? నల్ అని వస్తుంది. సో నేను మళ్ళీ అప్డేట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. అప్డేట్ ఎంప్లాయీ సెట్ సాలరీ ఈక్వల్ టు సాలరీ ఇంటూ 0.5 ఫర్ టేబుల్ నేమ్. ఓకే, ఇది మర్చిపోండి. ఎట్లా అప్డేట్ చేస్తారు? అప్డేట్ ఎంప్లాయీ సెట్ సాలరీ ఈక్వల్ టు సాలరీ ఇంటూ 0.25 వేర్ ఏజ్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ ఏజ్ equal to 25. For that people you need to include salary. Is it yes or no? అర్థమైందమ్మా? నెక్స్ట్, subquery with the delete statement. Okay, so delete all instructors means delete from the table name. Okay, delete all instructors from the finance department. Delete from the table name where department name equal to finance. What is our query? Delete all the instructors from the finance, but delete from instructor where department name equal to finance. Suppose I'm giving here name equal to some person name. What I have get? అక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ